Hi Griffins, this is Miss Han. I'm here to help you clean out your inbox because if some of you guys are like this student, I think many of us are in this boat, your inbox is full of unread messages. This student has 482 and a lot of them are from Google Classroom and you're getting them every day and it's really making it hard for you to notice when important emails come in that are directed to you and not generally from Google Classroom. So I'm going to show you how to, actually Mr. Lance and Mr. Ken have already made a video help you turn off some of those notifications from Google Classroom so you don't get all those going forward. In this video, I'm going to help you delete all the ones from the past so that your inbox can be cleaned out a little bit. And so we're going to use some fancy features related to Google search in Google Mail. So what I'm trying to do right now is to get rid of all the old unread mail from Google Classroom. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in Google Classroom. Actually, most of these emails, they come from, if you look, they come from classroom.google.com. So I'm going to search classroom.google.com. So put that into your search bar in your Gmail app. And then you can see that all of these are new announcements that have not been read yet, right? And I'm just gonna see there's 94 of them. All right, so what I'm gonna do is select all of them. So there's actually a lot of them. It says 94, but actually the more you click, there's probably hundreds. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press this one, which selects all of them. Now, if I only press this, it selects the 50 that are on this page, but I don't want to have to just select the 50 on this page. I want to select all conversations, all 94 or even more. So I select this one. So make sure you first select this guy, the box, and then select all conversations. Now all conversations are selected. Now what are you going to do with them? So the two things I'm going to do is I'm going to mark them as red so they don't show up dark black as unread. So now they all look like they've been read. The second thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click it again, select all conversations again, is I'm going to archive them. And so the nice thing about Google Gmail is that you don't actually have to delete it in case one day you need to search for it, but you can at least archive it, which means it kind of puts it in the closet, puts it in the storage closet so that you don't need to see it in your inbox. Move to inbox. It looks like it's already been archived for me. Oh, here it is. Archive. This is the archive button. I'm going to press that. Are you sure? Yep. So all of that has been archived. Now when I come back to the inbox, so you see before it said inbox next to these messages, now it doesn't. So that shows it's no longer in the inbox. When I go back to my inbox, look at that. I only now have 161 unread emails, and these emails are more specific emails that were written just to me. Maybe it was a personal email that was sent from a teacher like this one, and so I could see what's most important. And then so this is how you get rid of everything old in your inbox related to Google Classroom. And then going forward, if you don't want to receive so many notifications, please check out Mr. Lance and Mr. Ken's video to turn off future notifications from Google Classroom, or at least to decrease the amount that you get. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video.